All right. Well, just a quick update. This is the 81 Z28. We received the Right Stuff brake kit from Jegs today, and that kit only took about 45 minutes to put on this car. Now, the kit for the 81 from Right Stuff is AFXRDM5. And then there's a different kit with or without parking brakes and all that stuff. But this kit here comes with the S10 calipers, new rotors, backing plates, everything, hoses, whole 9 yards. Now some kits, the center of this rotor, you either have to have this machine down, the part of the axle pilot, or the pilot for the rotor has to be opened up. Or sometimes you have to trim the outside edge of that axle flange down or machine this out. You run into a lot of that on some of these brake kits. This kit just went right together. No issues. No interference, fits, no nothing. It just went right on together. We did go ahead and change the axle seals. This side was leaking. You can't tell. That's kind of nasty. But there it is. It is all installed and ready for brake lines to be put on. The gear over there, that's a 373. It is a track lock carrier, so it's a true posi with the aftermarket track lock in it. So that'll be getting left alone. I'm going to leave the 373 in it. And this is the staggered kit. This caliper goes behind the axle, and this caliper goes in front of the axle. But this kit went right on, no problems. So it comes with the hoses and stuff, and this old brake line. But yeah, I'm very happy with this kit. It went right on. So now, if you don't want to use these backing plates, you don't have to. They offer in the kit these spacers right there. If you don't want to use them, use the backing plates. And those extra axle flange brackets, those are just shim plates, so that you can shim that caliper in and out. And believe it or not, like I said, I didn't have to use them. Each brake shoe or pad, the correct terminology, is all the way at 0. So they're all the way to each side of the caliper. And like I said, it just glides right on by. You can see they're pretty well even. So yeah, excellent kit. Highly recommend it. The last kit I got was a Jegs kit, but it was for the blower car out there. I know I hate having it out there right now, but this is in here right now. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. There's some other stuff coming this week to get this thing all buttoned up and out of the garage, and it'll be ready for paint. So, but that's it. Again, the part number for the axle kit, for the brake kit, is AFXRDM5. You can get it through Jegs. I got a better price at Jegs than going through Right Stuff themselves. Being military, I got a discount. So the whole kit costs like, well, it actually did cost, with tax and shipping, $350. I mean, for disc brakes, can't beat that. That's awesome. That's an awesome price for disc brakes. All bolt-on stuff and stuff that you can easily get. But there you have it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.